I'm Mina Izadjoo. I'm President and Chief Science Officer of Integrated Pharma. I'm a microbiologist and LSU graduate. Our company is focused on infectious disease research, and our mission is to develop over-the-counter, cost-effective solutions for infections caused by antibiotic-resistant pathogens. During COVID pandemic hits, things became very difficult. It was very challenging to get raw material. At that time, we decided to reach out to Howard County Economic Development Authority. They listened to our stories. They tried to help us on how to address our challenges. They actually became our partner. They did not take the cookie cutter approach, and we had that personalized support from them. That's why our application was very successful and we were able to expand our manufacturing. When we were in the process of securing the loan, we received mentorship, and the mentorship was on how to improve our business plan. We found this training to be valuable because the exercise that we went through for developing a competitive and compelling business case and business plan help us to draft documents that currently we are using it for submission to other types of funding sources and grants. Because of our research, we have developed novel skincare products, and we wanted to be able to manufacture these products in-house in the state of Maryland. Of course, we needed resources, and naturally, we went to Howard County again. The second funding was significant because it made us meet our next milestone, and now we are ready to commercialize novel microbiome-based skincare products because of that funding. I strongly recommend applying for this source of funding for several reasons. One, for its training. Second, for its financial support. And third, you're going to have the opportunity to work with a wonderful group of people that they truly care for your business to be successful.